Hello everybody. Welcome back again. Okay, today 25th of February 2022. I will record the first session of my trading journal. Okay, and it's better we go straight to the chart of my MT5 chart and let's see what's going on. Okay, just like always, I will make two times recording. The first session now in afternoon according the time in my country, and later in the night, maybe 4 hours before the market closing, I will make another recording. So I will make today two times recording. So for now, I will bring you right away the chart. Like you can see, uh, now is go to my MT5 chart and let's see what's going on in the market. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, for the moment, floating profit $643. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 open position. Margin level is around 3000%, free margin 5000 something, and margin that I require to open this position is $177. Okay, now we try to break down every single open position that I have. Okay, now is pound sterling versus US dollar. The second one, so this one is the price. It seemed like going back. Okay, yesterday I bought the sell position, GBP CHF or Swiss franc. This one. So actually that is yesterday it's goes to the right track, go to the bearish or downtrend, but somehow some way today the price is going back and now just roaming around in the break-even point or the position where I open my sell position. Okay, let's pass this and we go to the next trade. This is pound sterling Japanese yen, floating 13 pips. This OPL is quite good. I will let this. And this one is pound sterling Australian dollar. Okay, this is 12-hour time frame. Just to be honest, actually I would like to take this position as well, but it seemed like I already opened quite much position, so I just let it go. Unfortunately, it seemed like a nice clear chart according to my Ichimoku trading system, but somehow some way I just let it go. Okay, next trade, pound sterling Canadian dollar. Okay, this one is GBP NZD or pound sterling New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, we going down. Oh, nice, 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 very nice. And now $177 floating profit. Not so bad. Not so bad. But I will keep holding the position because according to 12-hour time frame, it's still a long way to go. So I'm expecting that the price gonna make a bearish trend. So I just try to make as much as possible winning trade from this position. Okay, we will move into next. Okay, this is pound sterling Danish kroner. This is pound sterling Norwegian kroner. This is pound sterling Swedish kroner. Yes. This is pound sterling Singaporean dollar. Okay, this is euro versus New Zealand dollar. Euro New Zealand dollar is floating profit $214. Okay, This is according to 12-hour time frame, also still in the right track, and I'm hoping the price will be going down further. So I'm expecting, because it's 12-hour time frame, I'm expecting it's gonna be reaching 400 or 500 pips, and now it's just beginning. And I took earlier trading in here. Why? Because if you're wondering why I took a trade too early, not too early. If we are, I open and show you here. This is the 6-hour time frame. It's really precisely here going down, and we back to 12-hour time frame. Voila! See, I'm expecting the price also. It just seems like pound sterling New Zealand dollar, the price will be going down as much as possible. I try also to reach 400 or 500 pips. Let's see. Okay, this is also euro New Zealand dollar with euro Australian dollar is actually almost similar, and you can see this is a really beautiful profit, really handsome profit, $229 for the moment. I haven't put the stop loss yet here because I think the price will not going back that fast. Okay? So I just let the stop loss column is empty. Okay, and then this euro cut, euro Canadian dollar. Okay, this also in 6-hour time frame. This is really nice start for the bearish position. I just hoping that the price will not going back up or going back, because if you see this profit to candle is green, so I'm a little bit worried, because normally when the price is fighting back to the open position, I just close it directly because I don't like to having this bumpy right in the beginning. So if for example like this, you can see this is going straight bullish, and this one here is there's a two green candle, so I'm a little bit concerned about these two closing, because for me I would like to take the position only with strong trend. Excuse me. Okay, and USD Japanese yen. This is the only position that I have with the red color, or actually this is I need to close this position, I think, because this is not really promising. This is totally messed up chart. You can see this is the price already go inside the Kumo cloud. Well, this is not really good. I think I need to close this trade. What do you think, guys? Do I need to close it or not? So I'm just waiting. Yesterday, actually, this one I'm supposed to put my stop loss is around here, because here is around 70 or 80 pips, but somewhere I just leave with the stop loss empty, and I just let the price touching the edge of this Kumo cloud. Okay, maybe later in the night, maybe 4 hours or several hours before the market is closed, I will decide it what to do with this pair. Okay, but I think I will close it. I will not hesitate to close this. Oh. Okay. Okay. And the next rate is Euro GPY, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and this is gold or ZAW USD. This is unbelievable. You can see the gold make a new high, and this is the latest highest. The price is here in July, August 2nd of August 2020. So it's been last year. So what do you think, guys? Do you think the gold will touch this number? I have no idea. And this is the last trade that I have, euro US dollar. Euro US dollar is profit $38. Okay. This is also I have concern about this because yesterday after the price going down around 100, suddenly it's going back again, going back up on. I have a little bit worried because the price is going back to the remaining to the original or original to sorry to the open position level here. So before in the afternoon or in the morning, according my time here, I would like to close this, but I decided to leave it like that, and now the price going back down again. Okay, I think that is for today. Not for today. For the first session for my trading journal vlog, I will make another recording again later in the night, and then I will give you an update about my latest position because today is Friday. Today is Friday, and of course tomorrow Saturday and Sunday the market is closed. So as much as possible, I want to clearing some position because it's not look promising. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Okay, see you. Bye.